Welcome to another episode of 1,000-Yard Rifle Clay Pigeon Challenge hosted by Roaming Shot here in Slaughter, Louisiana. This is a monthly challenge where we take 5 shooters to test their marksmanship on clay pigeons from 100 yards to 1,000 yards. On the range, we have 5 sets of clays at each berm from 100 yards to 1,000. Shooters will fire their assigned lane starting at the 100-yard berm and work out to 1,000 yards in 3 minutes and 30 seconds with 15 total rounds. Shooters must hit their clays to proceed to the next distance in a modified Know Your Limits format. Points will be earned increased at each distance, 10 at 100, 20 at 200, and so on, for a total of 550 points. Hope you enjoy the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 1,000-Yard Rifle Clay Pigeon Challenge here at Roaming Shot Outdoors in Slaughter, Louisiana. Guys, this is a windy one. This is going to be the toughest one we've had yet. Thanks for all the views and comments we've been getting over the past couple of weeks, man. We appreciate it. First up, we have Mr. Bobby. Mr. Bobby, where are you from?
I'm from Holden, Louisiana.
Holden, Louisiana. How'd you hear about us?
I've been watching the videos. I was watching all the other kind of competitions. I run across y'all's, and I got interested in it, and I started watching y'all's episodes, and man, it was great. You know?
Yeah.
I loved it.
Well, perfect.
So,
what do you think is going to be the toughest part of today's challenge?
well, because of the wind, it's going to be tough because of the wind, but keeping your head in the game, you know, trying to make sure you do everything right, not getting too big of a hurry, you know. I'll probably do pretty good, you know, up to about 500 maybe, you know.
Yeah.
And after that, I don't know. You know?
Yeah, it's tough. It's not easy for sure. Tell us a little about your build.
Oh, I built a 6 millimeter arc. I got the barrel that I wanted. I wanted to get the longest barrel I could get, and 24-inch stainless steel spiral cut barrel. So on this one, I got a nickel boron carrier group. I added a few things on it. I got a shock absorber I come up with, and I built this bag rider on it, you know, to try to get more accuracy out of it. Arc and scope, it's EP, I think it's EP-7.
Mm-hmm. Well, man, I'm, like I said, glad you're here.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing you shoot.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Good.
I'm great.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Back.
All right, back.
Yep, impact.
Impact. Impact.
Heck yeah. Charles, you saw that? I know, it is a mess down there. Yeah.
Impact.
Heck yeah. Rascal making it look easy. All the way to the left, Mr. Bobby. I know it's kind of
Oh, it's time.
Guys, next up we got Adam. Adam, a range member here, also a huge help. He's always lending a hand anytime anybody needs anything. So it's great to have him out. Adam, what you think's gonna be the toughest part, man?
Everybody's saying the wind, but I think everybody's gonna try to rush and they're gonna kind of forget about the wind a little bit and rush. And I don't think the wind's gonna be a part, but I think some people are gonna rush and mess up that way. But we'll see.
Yeah. Yep, we get quick, we get slow, we get everything in between. So tell us a little about your rifle you're shooting today.
I'm shooting Fritz's rifle. I'm shooting MPA 6GT, Night Force, scope, ball suppressor, but real good gun. And just happy to be here and happy to shoot today.
Heck yeah, man. Yeah, last time this gun was here, it had a different scope on it, so maybe it'll do a little better this go around. So, but anyway, tickled you here.
Yep, thank you. He's tickled.
Shooter, you ready? Shooter ready? Go.
Impact, Firebird, got it going. Got to plug him. Impact, good shot. All right, shooter number one is missing. He blew it off. So,
First target.
yeah, first target is your target.
All right.
Impact. Impact. Cut that sucker a flip. Feed so smooth, Fritz. All right, guys. Next up we have is David. David, where you from?
Hammond.
Hammond. Perfect. Another local guy. All right, well, good deal. How'd you hear about us?
A Discord server and YouTube also, watching those videos.
Perfect. Perfect. Well, I'm glad you're here.
Yeah.
Man, what you shooting today?
It's a 243 Winchester match chamber, 26-inch Criterion barrel. Savage 110 action, a choate stock, varmint stock, and an Athlon 4.5 by 27,
Cool.
and a Form 1 suppressor.
Yeah, you said you built your suppressor.
Yep, from
Pretty
scratch.
cool.
Yep.
Pretty cool. What do you think is going to be the toughest part today?
All of it.
All of it. Yeah, I
All of
agree.
it. All of it.
Especially 243. This freaking wind is going to be rough on it.
Yeah.
But heck yeah. Well, man, thank you for coming out.
I appreciate it.
Heck yeah.
Shooter, are you ready?
Shooter ready.
Go.
Impact.
Wrong target.
All right.
Impact.
Wrong target.
Wrong target. One over to the right.
All right.
Impact. Got it the second one. Because you knocked it down. You got nothing.
He's on the wrong one.
Did you see it?
Make sure you're at 4, shooter. 400.
Ah.
I don't know which one you were shooting at, but you weren't on the right target frame.
Oh.
All right, guys. Next up, got a homegrown fob here. This is my older brother's youngest, and you'll see him sometimes on our "Can You Shoot Better Than a Sixth Grader" videos that we do. What do you think is going to be the toughest part, Nathan?
The wind.
Wind?
The wind.
Yeah, we get wind from time to time, but it is swirly today and full blast. So it is going to be a different. It's going to make a difference in this competition. What are you shooting today?
The 6 Krieg with the Arcin optics, Excalibur barrel, and a Form 1 suppressor,
Yep,
and 108 burger hand loads.
108s. He shoots lights out, so we're going to see how he does today with the wind. Like I said, it's odd for us to get quite as much wind as we're having today, so it's going to be fun. You're so talkative. Like a turtle. Thanks for coming.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Go. Goodbye.
It's Firebirds. Impact. Oh no. Your dad can't put your stuff on a note card? What's wrong with him? Impact.
We'll find it.
Yep. He shot it. He's got to find it. Impact. Watch your shots.
The gun keeps on moving.
Impact.
There you go. Nice shooter. Good hit.
Yeah.
Now we don't need to have a shoot off at least.
What was that?
About to lose your rap, Nathan. Impact!
Oh! Settle down, Dad.
What are you looking for?
My note.
Oh man, where'd your coat go?
Probably out the window. Down that thing up. Oh, you're good.
Next up, we have Shawn. Shawn's a member here as well. He's been shooting here some time, and
About 6 months.
yeah, about 6 months. And you shoot what, PRS? Have you,
Yeah, I've made my first 4 PRS matches this year, so
yeah, cool deal. Glad he's out today. We're gonna test that, huh?
yeah.
Dead gonna win. So anyway, I know how you heard about it. You found out because you've been here
Right.
for 6 months. About the time we started doing the challenges, really.
Yeah, I was here for the first one.
Yeah, yeah. So, what do you think is gonna be toughest today?
My nerves, myself, right? Making
Yeah.
sure I do all the steps right. It's a lot of dialing to get
Yeah.
out to 1,000.
Yeah,
So keeping track of all that slows you down.
yeah. Watching impacts and making
Right.
modifications quickly. Yep. 10-4. Tell us about your build.
So I've got a Defiance Ruckus action. It's a proof research pre-fit barrel on an MPA Vanquish chassis. I've got an MPA DN5 brake. I know you love that thing.
Got the loudest brake on the market.
And I got a Steiner 5x25 to 56
Yeah.
scope.
I tease about the brake, but he doesn't move when he pulls the trigger, so it's quite impressive. It does the job.
Yeah.
Just everybody else around him wants to beat him with that barrel. So,
Yeah, it weighs about 23 pounds, so it's a club.
yeah, it's a chunk. It's a chunk. Well, shoot you, man. Well, I'm glad you came out to give it a try.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Everybody ready?
Ready?
Go. Back. Get back.
Dead center, Shawn. Both of them. Good shot. I know. I see that.
Get back.
I'm swinging now.
Get back. Get back.
That was entertaining for sure. The wind definitely was pushing bullets left and right, especially some of the lighter calibers we had out today. We did get out to 600-yard impacts, guys. That's better than most of the shows with most of the series without it. So my man Nathan got that done. We'll go to him in a second. But yeah, his dad's fired up as well as everybody here. It was fun. So David.
You know, it helps if you shoot at the right target.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Every one of them.
Yeah, that helps.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's hard spotting which one you need to shoot at in that moment. You know,
It is.
There's a lot going on.
Yep. I agree. Yeah, it's that's why we give you time to get on there and look at it. And in the
Still don't matter.
Heat of the moment, cameras on you, everybody
It's
else is
over with.
watching you.
Yep.
And hands go to shaking and everything else. Yeah,
Yep.
it's something else. But man, good try, good
Yeah.
go. I think
Yeah,
you
that was
come
fun.
out and give it a go.
I want to do it again.
Heck yeah,
I'll do it again.
Season 2. All right, Adam. Adam was next. Him and Mr. Bobby tied at 400.
Yeah, so me and Mr. Bobby got out to 400. that 500-yard target, once you jumped out there, that wind was pushing us around pretty hard. But good shoot. It was a good day.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah, I was kind of slow about getting set up for the next for the 5th target. But
I'll say this. He was 100%. Everyone he pulled the trigger on went down.
yeah, I was doing okay with my shooting. I just need to speed it up a little bit.
Yeah, yep, that's it. That's it. Time killed you.
Yes, that's neat.
Yep. Shawn? Shawn was smoking them down as well. He was 100% till
Yeah,
600.
that was my worst enemy again, right? I was going left and right of the 600 target.
Yep.
A little bit of the wind, a little bit of myself. So it's a challenge. Definitely went out there, right?
It is, man. But y'all did great. I mean, with the wind, I mean, you see it now. First shooter up, all you can see is leaves out there raining.
Right.
It was freaking getting it. So,
It's a lot of fun.
yes,
Good
sir.
deal, man.
My boy Nathan. Oh, oh, mullet.
Yeah.
He was all business today. He was no party. So,
Yeah.
what did you think about it?
It was definitely challenging.
Yeah.
But the wind was kind of dying down whenever I was shooting,
Yeah.
so it made it a little easier.
Yeah.
And my dope paper kept on flying off everywhere.
Yeah. What did we learn? Next time it will be on a notebook.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you did great, buddy. I'm super proud of you. Good job. Good job. Nathan gets a he gets a sleeping bag. No, we're gonna go get him another one. He gets the Roman Shot Outdoors shirt. It says long range shooting. It's like golf but for men. And he gets a Ruttin' and Struttin' hat, which that's my fault. They're somewhere. I couldn't find it a minute ago, but we'll get it. And gets a range bag badge. Roman Shot Outdoors. So, man, super proud of you. Good job. Nobody comes out here, I think, more other than Bilbo and throws more rounds than Nathan. And Nathan's all business when he's on it, so he's always fun to watch. And but anyway, guys, I'd like to thank our Carbon 6 barrels, Ruttin' and Struttin' taxidermy, long shot cameras, and when you step to the side for a second, guys, we got life-size animal targets, guys. These are great targets. We use them out here on the range. They have replaceable impacts on them. Awesome stuff. So, but anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. If you want to get in on this, Ben5 at roamingshot.com. Come try it out.